Today is about playing the game of life, participating in life. Sometimes I know we can get really down and hard on ourselves, so we feel like, the world doesn't need us. We don't matter. We could just tap out. We could just stay in bed for days on end. We don't have to, participate in the game of life, because who would care anyway? I've been there, and trust me, it's not a place that you want to be. It's like a sunken place, and you really don't want to be there for a long time. Now, the thing is, when we do this, we miss out on life and all the opportunities that we could create for ourselves, all the opportunities that the universe tries to give us on a daily basis. A lot of life is about showing up. So with that being said, all you have to do is literally get out of bed and just go where you want to go that day. It doesn't have to be in the form of how the society is telling you to live. If you want to go to the fucking beach and just be a beach bum that day, that is entirely up to you. But this is defining your own life. Now, a lot of times I always say that depression creeps up on us, suicidal tendencies creep up on us because we try to live our life to please others. Even though people don't like to admit it, this is a huge problem in our society. So today, I'm challenging you to claim your life, to do as you please, and to participate. And in any small way you know how, because sometimes when we get into depression again, or we feel like our life isn't going our way, we stop making moves. You never want to stay the same. You never want to be stuck, even if you're doing the same thing every day. But if it's in your choice, that's all that matters. But yeah, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.